Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on dollar yen. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame, we can see that dollar yen currently showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame to see overall direction in the market. Now from the monthly, we can see the dollar yen is a long term bullish market. If we look at this overall market structure, we can see that with this monthly impulse, dollar yen has created this move followed by this correction, and we have seen that dollar yen is in another impulsive phase. If we look at this zone here on the monthly, we can see that every month the price was creating series of higher low, which is a typical bullish market structure. And what we saw that here on the monthly time frame, there was a strong liquidity grab from this level on dollar yen has formed this long week candle, followed by we have seen that every month currently the price is forming series of higher high and higher low. Now this current monthly candle, we see that initially the price has gone up, has come down, retested this level, and we can see that price again trying to push to the upside. As it is a long term bullish market, we can expect dollar yen to create series of higher high and higher low and to remain bullish from the monthly perspective. If we draw this monthly support level, where we can see that dollar yen has tested this level, and we can expect now slowly pushing towards the upside. Now if we look at the weekly time frame on dollar yen, we can see that from the weekly also the price action is bullish. If we look at couple of weeks candlestick pattern, we can see that here the price gathered liquidity couple of weeks, form this strong momentum to the upside with a long week doji, followed by we have seen that another liquidity trigger in that zone as well with a long week doji. Previous week we saw again there is a massive liquidity trigger from the support level from another doji. This week so far we see that the price initially tested the lower week of this long week candle. Now if we consider 50% of this long week to be retraced, we have seen that dollar yen already has tested the 50%, and now we can expect dollar yen to go up to test this resistance line. This is the weekly candle. We see that the price still hasn't tested this important resistance line, as upper week is still an imbalance in the market. So we can expect now slowly dollar yen to go up to test this upper week of this previous weekly candle. Now looking at the daily time frame to see how the price action is evolving, we can see that from the daily perspective there is a long week candle here on dollar yen. The price tested this level from this long week candle, followed by we have seen a narrower doji in that area from the daily. Now today we saw that initially the price has broken all this low, as there is a high liquidity has crossed this 20 EMA, and we have seen immediate bounce to the upside. As the price has gathered liquidity from this important zone, we can expect now upside bias on dollar yen. And what I think that today we can expect a bounce to the upside to this liquidity zone. As the price moves from liquidity to liquidity, we can expect dollar yen to move from this level to this level where there is a high liquidity. Looking at further lower time frame to see suitable entry opportunity on dollar yen, we see that this current candle, which is closing in 12 minutes time from this time of recording, we see that there is a doji is being formed. As this is the support level that we are expecting dollar yen to respect, we can expect now dollar yen to give us suitable entry opportunity along this zone for this potential bullish move towards the upside. Looking at the 1 hour chart to see suitable entry, we see that in that zone there are quite a few dojis has been rejected from that level with a strong liquidity trigger. We saw previous couple of hours, we have seen there was quite a few manipulation in that zone and forming this inverted head and shoulder for this potential move towards the upside. As we see the current candle is coming down, we'll be waiting for a downside. If we see the dollar yen has broken this level or tested this again after a strong rejection on the lower time frame, we will consider going long on dollar yen with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also leave a comment below to support this idea. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.